की मानसिकता से घिरे हुए लोग हमारे मत, मान्यताओं और मंदिरों पर, हमारे संत, संस्कृति और सिद्धांतों पर हमला करते रहते हैं। ये जंगल राज वाले महाकुंभ को ही गाली दे रहे हैं। महाकुंभ को लेकर भद्दी भद्दी बातें कर रहे हैं। राम मंदिर से चिढ़ने वाले लोग महाकुंभ को भी कोसने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं।
किसी ने सच कहा कि महाकुंभ में जिसने जो तलाशा उसको वह मिला। गिद्धों को केवल घास मिली, सूअरों को गंदगी मिली, श्रद्धालुओं को साफ सुथरी व्यवस्था मिली, पर्यटकों को अव्यवस्था मिली, सद्भावना वाले लोगों को जाति रहित व्यवस्था मिली, भक्तों को भगवान मिले। सोशलिस्ट समाजवादी जब अंतिम पायदान पर खड़ा होता तब उसे धर्म की याद आती है।
Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Nation Wants to Know and I'm Swati Joshi. The world has been witnessing the mega confluence of faith and devotion at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj over the last 40 days. And it has been a time of peace, of prayer and meditation for most. 63 crore people have taken the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, including celebrities and foreign dignitaries. But it has been mired by controversy from Mrityu Kumbh to Faltu Kumbh to Dharm Ka Dhanda. Sanatan betters have decried the arrangements made by the BJP Sarkar, the Yogi Sarkar, alleging mismanagement and corruption. Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with Chief Minister Yogi today ripped into Sanatan betters, while Prime Minister Modi said that people won't forgive leaders of Jungle Raj who ridiculed Hindu religion. CM Yogi said that Samajwadi Party played with Astha and only remembers religion in the time of crisis. Now the opposition meanwhile continues to condemn BJP Sarkar, with Samajwadi Party mocking that a Sanatani government has covered Kumbh with dead bodies. Listen.
इस सरकार ने भ्रष्टाचार के अन्याय के सब सीमाएं लांघ गए और जब सब कुछ छिपाना चाहते थे तो महाकुंभ जैसा आयोजन किया, उसमें भी झूठ बोला।
देखिए, हम तो पहले दिन से पूछ रहे हैं कि ये कैसी सनातनी सरकार जो कुंभ को लाशों से पाट देती है। आज भी जो सनातनी हैं, जो लोग मारे गए उसके अंदर किसी के पिता नहीं मिल रहे हैं, किसी के मां नहीं मिल रही, किसी की बेटी नहीं मिल रही, वो अभी भी घूम रहे हैं। ये कैसी सनातनी सरकार है कि पूरे सूबे में 17 से जब से ये सरकार आई है, यहां पे ब्राह्मण समाज के लोगों की फेक इनकाउंटर की हत्याओं का एक लंबा दौर चला है।
In fact, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, today also spoke about the 2013 Mahakumbh, and he said that one of the foreign dignitaries refused to take a holy dip, citing the unhygienic conditions, whereas today world-class facilities are being provided. He also alleged that the Samajwadi Party is only reminded of Sanatan at the time of crisis. Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Anila Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Rohit Agarwal, RLD, Rashmi Sawant, activist, Renu Mittal, senior journalist, and Kapish Srivastav of the Samajwadi Party on the broadcast. Thank you very much for joining us. कपिश श्रीवास्तव जी, शुरुआत आप ही से मैं करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि महाकुंभ की शुरुआत में सबसे पहले स्टेटमेंट्स भी आप ही की पार्टी की तरफ से आए थे कि ये धर्म का धंधा है और मिसमैनेजमेंट पर आपने सवाल उठाया था। आज दोनों प्रधानमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री का कहना है कि ये केवल महाकुंभ को क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए किया जा रहा है और 63 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर चुके हैं, डुबकी ले चुके हैं, ये बात हजम नहीं हो रही है। साथ ही योगी आदित्यनाथ ने कहा कि क्राइसिस के वक्त सनातन की याद आ जाती है। हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
देखिए, सबसे पहली चीज तो हम ये कहेंगे कि सनातन को समझने के लिए तो सबसे पहले माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को, प्रधानमंत्री जी को इस बात को समझना चाहिए कि सनातन बेस किस पर करता है। सिर्फ और सिर्फ आडंबर पे नहीं करता। ये शान विद्या न तपो न दानम ज्ञान न शीलम न गुणो न धर्मा ते मृत्यु लोके में विभार भूता मनुष्य रूपेण मृगाश्चरंती। जो लोग धर्म को धंधा बना करके मुख्यमंत्री बन जाते हैं, ऐसे लोगों का आवरण तो आपको दिख रहा है। आपने तमाम रिपोर्टिंग्स देखी, सैकड़ों लोग जो हैं वो भागा दौड़ी में दबे और उनकी जान चली गई। कोई मोक्ष को बता रहा है कि प्राप्त कर रहा है और क्या कर रहा है। यही सनातन है क्या? और मैं तीसरी चीज पूछता हूं, कुंभ के अंदर वस्त्र पहन करके डुबकी लगाना और दिखाने के लिए माला फेरना, क्या आपने कबीरदास की नहीं सुनी? माला फेरत जुग भया मिला न मन का कोय, मन का डार के मन का कोय। तो आप बताओ ना मुझे, ये क्या चल रही है? ये सरकार सनातनियों की है कि इस देश की सरकार है?
कपिल श्रीवास्तव जी, एक बात बताइए,
सारे धर्मों
अब एक बात बताइए,
चलने वाली सरकार
एक मिनट, कुंभ का आयोजन तो समाजवादी पार्टी के दौर में भी हो रहा था, तो क्या समाजवादी पार्टी सनातनियों की सरकार बन गई थी? दूसरी बात, जिस बाबा का जिक्र आप कर रहे हैं, क्या वो सरकार का हिस्सा है? क्या किसी सरकार के मंत्री ने, सरकार के नेता ने कहा कि मोक्ष की प्राप्ति हो गई? उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की मैं बात कर रही हूं। जिस बाबा को आप पिक्चर में लाना चाहते हैं, वो उनका सरकार से क्या लेना देना?
नहीं, जिन बाबा को हम पिक्चर में लाना चाहते हैं, हमने तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के लिए कहा, जो हमारे गोरक्षनाथ पीठ के महंत भी।
मुख्यमंत्री ने ये कहा है कि मोक्ष को प्राप्ति हो गई।
कहता हूं कि हमारे मनीषियों ने इस बात को कहा है सनातन के अंदर कि जो धर्म को राजनीति से नहीं जोड़ा जा सकता। नहीं,
कपीश जी, आपने कहा मैं अपने मुख्यमंत्री को ला रहा हूं। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा था ये कि जिन लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई है भगदड़ में, वो मोक्ष को प्राप्त हो गए।
प्रयोग किया, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने मनुष्य की तुलना सुअरों से जाकर के की है, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? वो कौन से जज और कौन से न्यायाधीश?
पूछिए आप उस पर सवाल,
वही महंत भी है,
अनिला सिंह से।
वही महंत भी है, वही मुख्यमंत्री भी है,
किसी का दिया हुआ बयान, किसी एक व्यक्ति का दिया हुआ बयान, हाउ कैन यू एट्रीब्यूट दैट टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर? यू कैन क्वेश्चन द गवर्नमेंट ऑन मिसमैनेजमेंट। आप पूछिए सवाल, अगर आपको लगता है व्यवस्था सही नहीं तो आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन आडंबर जब आप कहते हैं, कपिल श्रीवास्तव जी सुन तो लीजिए, जब आप कहते हैं आडंबर, तो 63 करोड़ लोगों ने जो डुबकी मार ली है, उसमें कई सेलिब्रिटीज भी आ जाते हैं और फॉरेन डिग्निटरीज भी। ये सारे आडंबर का हिस्सा है क्या? सब आडंबर में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं?
बार बार आपको कह रहा हूं, आडंबर का हिस्सा वो सारे लोग नहीं हैं।
हाँ।
जो राजनीतिकरण कर रहे हैं वो हैं। माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने भी डुबकी लगाई।
ठीक है, जवाब दीजिए। बिल्कुल, और उसका जिक्र आज उन्होंने असेंबली में किया, कि उसका जिक्र उन्होंने असेंबली में आज किया। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ने भी उन्होंने भी डुबकी लगाई है, अखिलेश यादव ने भी डुबकी लगाई और सनातन को स्वीकार करने लगे। पर अनिला सिंह, कपिल श्रीवास्तव का कहना है, कपिल श्रीवास्तव सेज ही इज नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग महाकुंभ, he is not questioning people's astha or the people who are going there for a holy dip. He is saying mismanagement, corruption on part of Yogi government. How do you respond?
My Ram Ram to all. चोरों को सारे नजर आते हैं चोर, and this is what Samajwadi Party is. You know, they have always ridiculed Sanatan. They have always believed in corruption and crime. So they think that everybody believes in that. It is a shock for them that thousands and thousands people, you know, every day, lakhs of people every day, they take dip, holy dip. More than 63 crores of people, they have taken holy dip. And they are not liking it. And Yogi Adityanath ji has very well said, भाई सूअर गंदगी में ही जाएगा, गिद्ध जो है लाश पे ही जाएगा, ये उसकी फितरत है. What wrong he has said?
But who was he referring to?
Political party.
Who was he referring to when he was making that statement? Was he referring to someone? Was he referring to someone when he was making that statement?
No, the thing, no, it was a general statement,
okay,
showing the choice of pig and vulture. So vulture is going to go to the dead body only.
Okay.
And we know it very well where the pig goes.
Renu Mittal, was the chief minister talking about vulture politics? Because from day one, ever since the Mahakumbh began, what we've seen from the opposition, except for a couple of leaders, by the way, that has to be mentioned, Renu Mittal, because D.K. Shivakumar goes there and says, arrangements are good. He congratulates and appreciates the administration there, saying, बहुत अच्छे arrangements hai. And then you have other leaders of the opposition, some have gone, some have not, but generic statements coming in, criticizing.
You see, I think that let's start with the Chief Minister. It doesn't behove a Chief Minister to use this kind of language. The language, I think, is in very bad taste. The fact is that people have a right to their view. Now, let's look at the Kumbh itself. The Kumbh itself is not a Kumbh for the Aam Aadmi. People have had to walk 30 kilometers. People have had to suffer a lot of dirt and soiled toilets, and there really are very bad arrangements for the Aam Aadmi as such, who goes, you know, out of Shraddha, out of a feeling that this has happened in 144 years, though I don't know where that figure has come from. What is the Kumbh is all about is for the VIP. Excellent, the car goes right till the Ghat. You have all the arrangements in the world for them. And you know, you are treated like a king or a queen. So this is the same thing with VIP. Now, when the NGT and other agencies talk about dirt in the Ganges, it's natural because there's so many people there.
But Renu
and the
Mittal,
water is static.
the government is citing some figures. The government is citing some figures. They are saying 63 crore people have taken holy days. If this is not for the Aam Aadmi, if this is not for the Aam Aadmi, how come 63 crore people have taken the dip? Also, also if you do not, one second, I'm just trying to bring in another, I'm just trying to bring in another point of view and respond to that. Don't you think that several politicians have also taken those boat rides, by the way. Several politicians have used those facilities that are being provided. Would it not create chaos? Would it not create absolute chaos?
There is absolute chaos there. People have been stuck there for days. All the roads leading into Allahabad, Prayagraj are jammed. They have been jammed for days. People are not getting food, though there is so much of food being provided. And you know, the point is that where are these figures of 63 crore coming? So what are you saying is that almost half the population of India has landed up in Prayagraj, and that Prayagraj is able to...
Rohit Agarwal, unbelievable. These numbers are unbelievable. Are you saying half the population has gone there to take a holy dip? Is that what you're saying? Because Renu Mittal is contending that.
I think Renu Mittal should first give the disclaimer that which religion she is following. क्या वो आस्तिक हैं या नास्तिक हैं? किसी भी धर्म के ऊपर अगर आप टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं, if I say anything about any other religion, whether there will be a controversy or not. So Renu Mittal, if she is raising a question on Sanatan, then she should
Rohit
first
Agarwal, isn't that what Sanatan is all about? You have that liberty and that freedom to express your point of view. And Renu Mittal is questioning the management on ground. She isn't questioning the religion. She isn't saying anything about the Hindu Dharma or the Sanatan Dharma.
She should tell first whether she has actually visited the Kumbh or just she is creating the story as writing her name as a senior journalist. The other thing is this, I am not interested in Renu Mittal right now. The basic thing is this, Holy River Ganga has washed their agenda of PDA. That's why the whole opposition is shaking up. The problem is this, that there is no big, there is no small, there is no rich, there is no poor, there is no caste left when we talk about the स्नान in the कुंभ. सबने एक ही घाट में स्नान किया है, तो पीडीए है कहाँ, छुआछूत है कहाँ? जो आप हिंदू धर्म को जिसके लिए बदनाम करते थे, वो तो पूरी तरीके से वो तो वॉश आउट हो गया. तो इसीलिए विपक्ष को दिक्कत हो रही है, इसीलिए विपक्ष को ये समस्या है.
I will take a quick response from Kapil Srivastava. दिक्कत इस बात से हो रही है कि इतनी बड़ी संख्या में लोग बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, उनका स्नान पूरा हो रहा है, महाकुंभ सफल हो रहा है, ऑपोजिशन को यह बात हजम नहीं हो रही है. कपिल श्रीवास्तव,
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो हम अपने मित्र को ये कह दें कि अरे इस संसार में सभी रह रहे हैं, उसी ऑक्सीजन को भी ले रहे हैं और वही निकाल रहे हैं. इसका मतलब थोड़ी ना कि आपने जो है विविधता में एकता पैदा कर दिया, या आपने जो है वर्गों का डाइवर्जन जो है वो खत्म कर दिया, अमीर और गरीब की खाई को पाट दिया, सवर्ण और ओबीसी को बराबर कर दिया. क्या हास्यास्पद बातें करते हैं. वीआईपी कल्चर को जन्म देने वाली भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसने इस कुंभ के अंदर वीआईपी लाइन लगवाई है. आप सोचो ना कि भगदड़ में कौन मारा गया, भगदड़ में बताओ ना कोई वीआईपी का नाम. सब पीडीए मारे गए. पीडीए को उकसाया जानबूझ करके, प्रशासनिक लापरवाही.
आम आदमी भी कह सकते हैं, लेकिन वहां पे आप अपना एजेंडा भी फिट कर रहे हैं. पीडीए की कैटेगरी में आप लोगों को डाल रहे हैं. ठीक है. आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इन रश्मि सावंत एज वेल. रश्मि सावंत, व्हाट रेनू मित्तल एंड कपिल श्रीवास्तव आर ट्राइंग टू हाईलाइट इज कि आम आदमी को 10-10, 20-20 किलोमीटर चल के जाना पड़ा, whereas the celebrities are being escorted, they are being given VVIP treatment, and that's why they conclude that this is not Aam Aadmi ka Mahakumbh, this is VVIP ka Mahakumbh.
Well, Swati, I think these are people who have never been to the Mahakumbh and, prefer to sort of, give long speeches about it from a distance. I went to Mahakumbh. I'm a common citizen and I'm from the south of India. I went on the 4th of Feb and I went by road from Lucknow. I did not find these, 2-day, 3-day jams where people are stuck without food or water. I wasn't stuck without food or water. I did not have to walk 20 kilometers. I had to only walk 2 kilometers. And as a woman, I found that the, public arrangements which were made for changing were excellent. And I had the best experience at Mahakumbh. So did my, old parents who visited a week later. And we are common citizens. We don't have any kind of VIP protocol or anything. And countless people from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, Andhra have visited.
Okay.
For the very first time, they've gone to the state of,
So are you saying a narrative is being peddled? Is that what you're arriving at?
Absolutely, Swati. And I do believe that upwards of 60 crore people have gone, because every other person that I know here has gone. People, when I was on the plane to Prayagraj, people who haven't been on a plane, they took the plane for the first time in their lives because of their astha for Mahakumbh. They have spent a considerable amount of their savings to go there because that is what they believe in. And you have leaders of the RJD party, you have leaders of Samajwadi party who say that Mahakumbh is nothing. When there is so much astha.
Yes, somebody did say Faltu Kumbh, Renu Mittal. Somebody said Faltu Kumbh. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, said this is Mrityu Kumbh. And what Rashmi Sawant is saying is a first-hand account of what she experienced, Renu Mittal.
So there is no.
I would like to clarify here that some of these people are making generic and general statements. I went to Kumbh. I'm not speaking out of my hat. I'm a practicing Hindu for all the years of my life. So when this gentleman starts questioning because they don't like what they hear, so the only thing is that attack the person who is speaking without understanding what they're saying.
But Rashmi Sawant just said that she also went to Mahakumbh and her experience was
BJP.
She has described her experience saying that she had a wonderful experience at Mahakumbh.
Initially, I have also. You see, initially there were not so many people, and the arrangements did not collapse.
Okay.
Please let me talk. You had your say. The arrangements did not collapse the way that happened much later after Basant Panchami, where there was a huge influx of people.
No, but she went after Basant Panchami. That's what she's highlighting.
And the propaganda on TV. And the TV propaganda that went on, huge ads given by the Yogi government, 140 years, it was like FOMO. What am I missing out? So everybody wanted to go. Basically, it was a Kumbh for spreading.
But Renu Mittal, who are we blaming here? Are we blaming the government for putting out the ads? Are we blaming the people for going there with so much excitement?
No, of course
who are we blaming? Or are we blaming the arrangements? Or are we all over the place? We cannot put a finger on what went wrong.
People are getting carried away.
People are getting carried away.
No, people are getting carried away. There is so much publicity on this.
1 second. People believe, perhaps, look at it from their point of view. Look at it from their point of view. They wanted to because this is happening after so many years. They have Astha. They are Sanatanis. They are Hindus. They wanted to participate in the biggest religious event.
Yeah. So
how can you say that they were carried away?
It's an attempt. Of course, you are questioning me. You should be questioning whatever the hell was happening there. Don't attack me.
No, 1 second, Renu Mittal, because you made a statement saying people got carried away. Did you also get carried away? Did you also get carried away? Were you carried away? Or like you said, you've been a Sanatani, a practicing Hindu, and that's why you went there.
No, I'm not a Sanatani. I'm a practicing Hindu.
Practicing Hindu. All right. So you went there because you got carried away or because of your beliefs and your faith.
That's it. We are practicing. No, I have a home there, so I went there.
Okay, so you didn't go for Mahakumbh.
I said, let us also see what the whole hula.
1 second. How many times are the goalposts going to be shifted here? Rohit Agarwal, people were carried away. People got carried away. The BJP government gave ads and then was not able to handle the situation.
These are the double standards of the people, that they will visit Kumbh also, they will enjoy there also, they will take all the astha, they will take all the Ashirwad from there, like Dharmendra Yadav. See, so we went there with whole family and their photos are speaking everything about the Kumbh. Akhilesh Yadav went there and his photo is speaking everything about how he is enjoying the Kumbh. And Renu Mittal also enjoyed there, but in debate what she is saying, I don't understand. इसलिए तो आज योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने कहा है कि वहां पे सबको वही मिला जो लोगों ने देखना चाहा.
Okay, all right. Closing comments. For closing comments, I want to go across to Anila Singh. I have to wrap up. Anila Singh, celebrities ने तारीफ की arrangements की, opposition के भी कई नेता जो गए उन्होंने तारीफ की और आम आदमी तो जा ही रहा है, पार्टिसिपेट कर ही रहा है, लेकिन इनकन्वीनियंस भी लोगों को हुआ है। अनिला सिंह, कैन यू डिनाई दैट? स्टैम्पीड हुई है, लोगों की जान गई है, क्या उसको मिसमैनेजमेंट के तौर पर आपकी सरकार देख रही है? क्या मानेगी कि कमियां भी रही है? अनिला सिंह, बिफोर आई रैप अप।
नहीं, देखिए ऐसा है कि जो भी कमियां, कोई भी कार्यक्रम करते हैं, आप छोटे से छोटा कार्यक्रम करते हैं तो उसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ कमी रह जाती है। जो कमियां अभी रह गई हैं वो अगले महाकुंभ में हम उन कमियों को दूर कर देंगे। तो रेणु मित्तल जी को बहुत परेशान होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
All right. So the opposition, one second. So the opposition says that there was mismanagement, nothing else. That this was marketing, like Renu Mittal was saying. The government gave ads, and then some people got carried away. But the Bharatiya Janata Party, on the other hand, says this is nothing but opposing Mahakumbh or Sanatan because you want to oppose Yogi and Modi. Thank you very much, Renu Mittal, Rashmi Sawant, Anila Singh, and gentlemen, for joining us on the broadcast. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. Lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.